In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use trend lines with breaks in Tradingview. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how to effectively use this feature can greatly enhance your technical analysis. So let's dive in and explore this powerful tool. First, the journey begins at Tradingview's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and head over to Tradingview. If you haven't already registered for an account, take a moment to sign up or log in, as having an account will ensure you can save your work and access it easily later on. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Supercharts section. Look towards the top of the screen and click on Supercharts. This feature is at the heart of Tradingview's robust charting capabilities and offers a wealth of options for analysing market trends. Now that you're in the Supercharts section, it's time to add some indicators to your chart. Indicators play a crucial role in technical analysis as they provide insights based on historical data patterns. Locate and click on the Indicators tab. Usually, it's at the top of the chart interface. This will open up a menu with various options for you to enhance your analysis. With the Indicators menu open, you'll see a list of available options. Pay attention to the top of this menu and click on Top. Here, you'll find a curated list of popular and useful indicators that traders frequently apply to gain strategic insights. Finally, you're ready to add the Trendlines with breaks indicator to your chart. Scroll through the list until you find it, then click on it to apply it to your current chart. The Trendlines with breaks feature is excellent for identifying potential shifts in market trends. By visually representing trend lines that are broken, it helps you better understand potential changes in market direction. As you explore this feature on your chart, take note of any instances where a trend line is broken. This could indicate a possible reversal or continuation in the market. And understanding these nuances can be key in making informed trading decisions. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to integrate trend lines with breaks into your Tradingview analysis. This feature is just one of the many tools Tradingview offers to help traders make more informed decisions. Remember, practice and consistent application of these techniques will enhance your trading skills over time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.